Hey guys, it's Lindsey and Doug, and we're doing a phone call, and this is our attempting to record it. No, I'm kidding.
Now you're breaking up again for some reason.
So you're probably wondering who we are, even if you have been following us, because you haven't seen us much. We've seen Doug and some projects that he's been working on, but I haven't been posting much, and we haven't done much with the Rat Rod. But Doug and I recently met for our annual one of our board meetings, and just to kind of catch up and to see what the future will look like, and talk a little bit about what's going on in each other's lives. And one thing we discovered is, well, we both agreed we don't have much time to get together because we're working on a lot of other things. But with COVID, we can't really meet up to do the work on the Rat Rod that we want to. But what we did find out is that we both really like to invest money in the stock market. And Doug's been doing it for a long time, and he is a good investor and slow and steady and a long putter. And I am a short stock investor and day trader more so than anything else. So we got talking on that, and we thought, well, what a great idea. I'm kind of learning the stock market. I've been doing it that long. Doug's still always learning new things, and wouldn't it be fun if we had a little investing competition against each other, or with each other, I should say. So that's what we're going to do. We're doing WeLD Invest. We're going to invest some money.
Try it and
So
see
we're
what
going to
happens.
we're going to talk about the rules and break them down with you guys. So Doug, what are the rules of this little investing competition going to be?
Okay, the rules are we're going to invest $150 each, correct?
Okay. Yep.
We're going to do this for 6 months, starting December 1st through till the end of May, right?
Yep.
We will have monthly adding to the base amount, I guess, $50 a month.
Yeah, monthly deposit.
Now, is this mandatory, or we don't have to, or whatever?
I think it should be mandatory.
Okay, it can be. I'm
gonna
probably gonna have to anyway. I'm gonna be so far behind.
So I'm afraid I'm gonna be like, I feel like that's gonna get bumped up to like every week, like $20 or something, or $50 every week.
You'll be good. And then we'll get together every week and report our amounts,
Yeah.
or where we're at. We're not going to divulge what the stocks are that we're buying. There'll be stock A, B, or C, or whatever, and maybe what area of investment they're in, as far as therapeutic or whatever, travel. I don't know how they list them out, but you know what I mean.
Monopoly money.
Yeah, whatever. And then where we at? What are the rules we got?
Yeah, so we can't invest or choose stocks that we already currently own. And I had mentioned, and I can't invest in stock that Doug owns currently. So for example, we're going to disclose to each other a list of all the stock that we currently own, and we can't invest in those stocks. We can't invest in each other's stocks, and I can't use for my 150 amount something that I'm already using. And I told Doug I wouldn't use anything I've previously invested in, mostly just because I think I want the information to be new for both of us in regards to the amount of time we've had to look into these stocks, and I wouldn't want to invest in something that I've had experience with and I know the trends of it. And even though I sold it maybe a while ago, I'm not going to buy it back because I know it probably is going to be a good stock.
Right.
I'd like to, but
Okay.
I want to make it fair.
That sounds fair. Okay, and it's going to start tomorrow, and we have tomorrow and the rest of this week. I don't know if it's open. I'm sure it's probably shut down Thursday.
Yeah, we don't know anything about what
But
we're just
Friday might be, and we'll still have Monday. By the end of Monday, we have to let each other know what we bought. We have to be within plus or minus $1 of 150.
Yep.
And from then on, we can buy and sell all we want.
Yep.
We have to list with the price that we paid for it and prove what that price was come Monday, because we're going to be able to trade from tomorrow, and if it's open Friday and Saturday and Monday, but the price paid will have to still be at the 150 or under. Do we have to be at 149 to 151? Or
151.
anything under? Well, I
Has
was
to be
going plus or
under.
minus $1. It can be
Yeah.
anything under. If it's $20, that's fine.
Wait, what do you mean under $20?
No, if I only spent $20 and I still have 130 that I'm in cash.
By what day?
I mean, do I have to spend all my whole 150?
Yeah. Yeah, that's the whole point. You have to. That's like the up to $1 of 150 or plus minus or
Okay.
whatever. So
Okay.
you have to spend all your money. You can't hold on to it.
I
So
can't
it'd be
hold on
like
part of it and wait a couple of days before I invest
days
the
and
rest
buy
of
more.
it.
You have to by Tuesday. Have to have spent your entire 150 in something.
So apparently what I'm thinking is that if I just spend $10 on stock and I save my 140, that at the end I'm going to have 140 and
Right.
you're going to have burned through all yours, right?
Yeah, right.
Okay.
I'm gonna make way more with that than that anyway.
Okay. What else did we have for rules?
I think that's it. I mean, the biggest thing we talked about forever was when the whole start thing, but I think we've got that covered out. So we have like what we're going to call it a buying window. So you can
Right.
buy, but price purchased is going to be totaled and tracked, and then we'll disclose that on Tuesday
Okay.
or Monday night, I should say, or whatever.
Okay. And the prize at the end is going to be what?
Winner is going to pay for the loser's steak dinner, and the loser's going to feel really bad about having to have the winners.
Oh, I thought the loser had to buy the steak
No,
dinner. The winner
no,
does?
I think it's better to have the winner.
Well, then I definitely want to lose.
Because I'm going to treat you. I have
Yep.
all this money. I'm going to treat you to this
All
steak
right.
dinner.
Sounds good. We can go along with that. Seems like there was other rules, but we can each buy the same stock. There's
Yeah,
no penalty
so,
for
yeah,
that.
we
That
end up-
could happen,
Yep.
and it might.
I would be shocked, but that'd be cool.
I would do because so many stocks to buy. I think that was pretty much it.
I think so. It's amazing how it took us 2 hours to talk about that.
And we just did it in 5 minutes here.
But that's it. So we're gonna
Okay.
have a little friendly competition and see if at the end of 6 months who does better.
Sounds good.
Better.
All right, I guess that's it. Good luck.
All right.
I
Good
know
luck.
you're
You're gonna
gonna
need
beat
it.
the heck out of me. I know it. You trade regularly, and I trade very seldom. So
But
once
that's probably
I get,
the smarter way.
Yeah,
I feel like
I
I'm
know.
going to be more conservative in this for whatever reason.
I think you ought to do what's been working for you. And I don't have enough time to do what I've been working because it's going to take me 20 years to get in because I don't trade. So this will be something new and different for me. Maybe I'll learn something
you
by
go.
kind of halfway day trading, but we'll see what happens. It'll be fun.
That will be fun. Well, thanks. Good
Yeah,
luck.
you too. Good luck. Take care. We'll be talking to you Monday night.
Yeah, we'll have a little update. So,
Sounds
All
good.
right.
Talk to you
see
later.
you, Doug.
Bye-bye.
Bye.